Piesie Esther. Oba. Oba nyumtunia. Oto unyankopon honyom. Na Piesie free nsuta atonsu.
Okay.
Me ya santini. Me mame wo 5.
Wow.
Me toso 3. Piesie oba warefo. My husband Mr. Enoch Siedu. Piesie wo ma 4.
Wow.
And a Piesie called the Church of Pentecost. In fact, Piesie Dickness, Piesie Esther. Yes. A Piesie mo bobine. Apaya mami makwentu. Mentiasio.
Mentiasie da.
Mentiasie. Joye uzibano obeko. Okrasini mo said your boy. Aji wonsem yadawasi and sada. Just say ubedia dance you know, that is Piesie Esther. And now no why yemi ye. It is a case Piesie Esther. This is Piesie Esther.
This is Piesie Esther. So we can't say Esther Piesie. It's Piesie Esther.
In fact, the Piesie is just a show-based name.
Okay.
So it's not my cell name.
Okay.
So the name Piesie was given to me by a pastor called Pastor Andrews.
Okay.
One time a minister and then he told me say on konkona ne kasa say on fedi ye Piesie and come di. Then I told him say me come mama toso me ensa nti menye Piesie because asantimo de Piesie ye obi odikan nti o ka kire me so no de sa na rather ne kasa. Then the name was Ohima Esther. That is the name I am used. Ohima Esther. In fact, Ohima pa de se kasa Ohima Piesie me year 2002. And I made Ohima Esther bar out.
Okay.
Yes. Nti oka that word no. And then me yes okay fine.
Let me just add it to it.
That's right. So I decided to use Ohima Piesie Esther. And then I realized it's long.
It's too long.
Yes. So why don't I drop the Ohima and then take the Piesie? Okay. So that is how the name Piesie came out. Okay. It's not my cell name
at all.
So Piesie Esther.
Okay.
But mostly people call me Esther Piesie.
Because I just thought, that's lovely then. Yeah. Oh, bless him for that.
Thank you. And he's late. So
he's late.
Yes, may his soul rest in peace.
Oh. Yeah. Of course, I am so happy because you are celebrating 20 years in the industry. And I'm sure you have so much to share.
Yes,
but what is this whole celebration about? I mean, we can just say that, I'm 20 years in the industry, so that's it. Yeah. But I'm sure there's more to it.
That's right.
Can you tell us more about it?
There is more to it because yesterday, it has been a rough journey.
Wow.
It has been a rough journey. Sometimes, wabamu na unyaya nka you will stop singing because this is how maybe you are doing something. You think say, you have the talent doing it. You I mean, and then I can sing it too. So you see that I don't mean nyam one free baby. There is nobody helping you. Now won kwanzo se ba ko force we ensign so nyam ye nikata. So a dream maybe and I say you feel like let me stop this and find myself doing something else. Inti journey it has been a rough journey anyway. But ye the radia say what cry ye mu e dia be seen. The reason is 20 years ye ni bebre na sha ase.
Yeah.
Bebre we started with them. Nyese bia omu ni adom no anaso mu ntimi ntworo nwom. But bebre na no when to me anyina mebre sa abri na enye wo mo so mfom so because wo ya de na wo nyam wa toda ba ko nsa ba ko no etimeje egu nti bebre asan. But we thank God that still Piesie da so ejina na so a na me dawura de ase a say me dawura de ase because in this nti kwa na ma me crown dey say waye me yi because say me share the yipa go through those days na say me share the awurade aboyen e de na bedura na 20 years in ministry na me ka share awurade ni monyam say Piesie da so relevant say me dwene we nyina ho a na me hu sampa there was 20 years no me frefra dofo nyina eye Ghana man nyina e be ka me ho say this is Piesie a ebere bi atwam na wonni ni daso. This is Piesie a ebere bi atwam na abamubuo bae. Esan say wo ya de na wonya my dear ya I feel rejection before. Nti say wo hwe say we enum nyina kukuru hwiase nyina na awurade ayadom na say wo de abedu na e wo say me celebrity e de she Kristo edin animonyam na asan ne waye me yie nwom no kora asan aba be hia no nti enu nti na ma me ka say waye me yie.
Oh
yes,
amen to that.
Yes,
I mean to listen to you